Hi guys, I just wanted to do a quick video. So this is the xtool F1 and we're going to go ahead and we're going to laser engrave a tumbler. So this is the print that she wants, and we're going to make sure we have it on cylindrical. I keep her on user defined. Chuck the perimeter diameter. Right. And then we're going to keep it on blue light. Put that on 100. All right, so what you want to do is you want to use this dial here on the machine to make sure that your blue and red light are on top of each other or as close as you can get it. So because the tumblers are fairly high for this laser, they get really close, but they're not exactly right on top of each other. All right, so we're just gonna turn it. Okay, that way they're going further. We're gonna go closer. And it's pretty much just gonna take the laser as high as it can possibly go. Perfect. Right, the next thing you want to make sure is that your cup is straight. So I will check there, and then I actually always try to line it up with that line there. And then you can use your level here to make sure that the cup is leveled. Okay, and the next thing you want to do is you want to make sure that these tabs will clear when it spins. There we go. So you're going to adjust this here until the tabs just clear that. Now it can go in a full circle, unobstructed. Alrighty, this is just a sample cup, so I'm just gonna print over it just to make sure that design is as I want it. So if you find that you're destroying cups, don't throw them away. You have a few options. What you can do is you can use them to do sample cups. You can use them to test new designs and distances, depths, speeds, or you can citrus strip the entire thing. You can repaint it, or you can use a stainless steel paint, which will allow you to engrave over the stainless steel. And if you're wondering what laser spray that is, it would be this one, and you would just spray it so that the laser could engrave that for you. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is turn my cup, and I'm gonna start the design there. So I know it's a little hard to tell, but I'm centering the laser in the middle. And you might be asking, why are you doing that when the print is actually going to be this large? So when you frame it, you're gonna get a line that frames like that. And it's just gonna show you how big of an image and how long of an image is going to print. All right, there we go. So it does start right on the lip, which is where I wanted it, but I think I'm gonna get it a little bit higher. So now I know I just go back to my print here and I'm going to adjust it so this goes higher up.